Now I have a few photographs here. Actually, some beautiful ones from your childhood. Tell me who is who and what is going on here.
That's so sweet. This is me, and that's my great grandmother.
And this is what? This is your home? Because this looks like a village environment to me. Am I wrong? Or
Yes, this is my. This
so
is
you
my
come
house.
from a village, or you come from a small town? What is it?
It's a village. It's a nice small village in a valley in Manali. So that's my mother and father.
You have this fashion sense, this innate fashion sense that comes from within, which is like a experimental, edgy fashion sense. But you come from somewhere where fashion wouldn't have been a big deal, I imagine. Where does it come from?
See, the thing is this: I am who I am because I am there. I would have not been who I am if I would have not been with these people. So they are the people who make me who I am.
That is like the best answer I've heard. Now, this is, of course, you at Miss what?
That's Miss Evening or something.
This is the Manali Queen or something?
No, this is in Chandigarh.
Do you remember this night? Was it fun?
Of course I do. I was a fresher and I was scared, and there were these seniors who got this evening for us where we have to like do modeling and then we'll be crowned, and I didn't know English, so they asked me question in English, and every girl was from big schools, and you know, because Chandigarh for us is supposed to be
The big town.
the town where there are best schools and best academics, and everybody is very nicely educated. So I go to this place, and there I am like a person who's scared, and seniors are dragging us in and out.